Today I'm going to be talking about how you can delete or remove empty rows that you have in your Excel sheet automatically using something called VBA code or Visual Basic for Application code. You don't have to be a programmer. I'm going to show you the code. It's a simple two-line code that we're going to just paste in Developer tab inside the Excel sheet, and that will help you to remove the lines. Even if you have 100,000 lines, it will just get removed within maybe a minute or two max. If you have like only 100 or 200, it will get removed within seconds, as I'm going to show you. So to get started in here, I'm gonna go to my Excel sheet. It's called text file, and in here, as you can see, I have like around maybe 200 or 180, yeah, around 186 rows, and between each of my rows there's an empty row that I want to get rid of. So instead of removing it manual, which will be very long and hectic kind of way to do it, I'm gonna be using the developer tab in here. If you don't have developer tab in Excel, you just have to go to file and then click on options and then go to customize ribbon, and then just on here on the right hand side, just go to the developer under the main tabs and just make a tick mark on developer for the developer tab to appear on your Excel sheet. So I have it in here, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna click cancel. I'm gonna go to the developer tab in here, then I'm gonna go to Visual Basic, and I'm gonna open this sheet. It will open for me the module here for the code, and I'm gonna just go to my desktop and grab the code that will help me to delete all these empty rows automatically. So I'm gonna just paste it in here, and I'm gonna paste this in the description box for you, so you can paste it as well for yourself in the module within the VBA. So in here, as you can see, it's just asking me, hey, what are the rows numbers that you want me to check and delete? So I'm going to go back to my Excel sheet. So I have from A1, that's the first row, and number one is like the A1 row, that's the number one row. I'm going to have the code iterate or go through a loop and check for me until row number 186. So it's going to be from A1 to A186. So I'm going to go back to my in here, and I'm going to just change this to 186, and that will remove all the rows between lines A1 to A186. So to execute this code, I'm just going to click on the green button in here that says run sub user form, and as you can see, it finished. So I'm going to go back to my Excel sheet, and it really within seconds, within maybe even a second, only 1 second, it removed all the empty rows I have between my lines, and instead of having 186 or 187 lines, I have only 94 left. So that's all about this video, guys. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you could even share it with your colleagues and peers.